How to use mix-up heat press machine. It is better to bake the paper in the oven before heat transfer. Stick your design to the tumbler with high temperature tape. Don't forget the top and bottom. Turn on the machine. Press Set button to set temperature and time. Press again to save the setting. Put the tumbler into the machine when the temperature is arriving. Turn the screw to adjust the pressure. When the temperature arrives, the machine will automatically count down. Rotate the tumbler. Peel off the paper and check the result.